Hello friends. Today, I'm cleaning my kitchen, the heart of the home. I truly believe a clean kitchen brings positive energy and a fresh start to the day. I'm starting with wiping down the countertops. Just look at how the grease and stains disappear with every swipe. Now I'm cleaning the stove and organizing the dishes. Yes, cleaning can be tiring sometimes, but when everything starts to shine, it feels totally worth it. The smell of a clean kitchen and that fresh look makes me so happy and motivated. If you also enjoy satisfying cleaning or need some motivation to clean your space, stay with me through this video. Together, we'll make cleaning fun and relaxing. Let's make our kitchens sparkle, with just a cloth, a little effort, and a positive mindset. Ready to get started? Let's go! Let me know if you want this in a specific tone, calm, excited, ASMR style, etc., for a voice recording. Hello friends. Today, I'm cleaning my kitchen, the heart of the home. I truly believe a clean kitchen brings positive energy and a fresh start to the day.
इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस करें हमारी न्यू वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।